Hey you guys, and welcome to this tutorial series on drawing a practice car for your CO2 car. In this video series, you will see me use a ruler. I really prefer these flexible rulers that are a little bit transparent. It helps me measure a little bit easier. I also have a pencil, of course my favorite pencil, Ticonderoga, a nice big eraser, just in case I need to get rid of something I didn't like. I'm also gonna use a pair of scissors, not to cut any paper, you'll see how that will be used later, and I also have a highlighter. Any wide diameter marker is gonna work well if you don't have a coin, because a coin can work for a very similar purpose, and you'll see me use that later on as well. So let's get started. In this particular paper template that's shared in the link below, there are a few helper lines to help you get started as you're learning how to draw a CO2 car on a piece of paper. On this helper paper, we have a space where it says, do not cut into this space. We have that from what we call the top view and from the side view. There's also a helper line here as an indication to approximately where along this line we should plan out the holes for our CO2 car axles. And then this line that you see on the side view and the top view is the minimum length you should plan your car. Of course, you can plan it all the way out to the end if you would like, but I recommend not going anywhere beyond here if your goal is to make a fast CO2 car. So let's get started by actually tracing and planning out the length of our CO2 car at the shortest possible length for class, which is at, let's double check, 205 millimeters. So what I want you to do is take your ruler and you're gonna practice tracing. Remember, every time we draw, we're always gonna be tracing. I'm gonna line up my ruler. I like to use my pencil as a helper. I'm gonna line up my ruler. I'm gonna draw a line here. And I'm going to draw a line on my top view. Then, as a reminder of what I'm gonna be cutting, I'm just gonna scribble out that section. All of the sections that are going to be scribbled dark will be the parts of my plan that I'm not going to keep. Remember, our goal when we make a CO2 car is to make a fast CO2 car, and the easiest way to make a fast CO2 car is to make a car that's really light. For this first video, I want you to take a picture of yourself with this part of your drawing. Don't forget to fill this section in and submit that picture to our assignment in Schoology.